Now for the first step. Grab your phone and switch it on. Step 2 is to click play and watch the 30-second video. Step 3 is to begin receiving payment. If you watch one video, you could make up to $3. If you watch 20 videos, you'd make roughly $60. And if you watch up to 100 videos a day, you'd make $300. And that is astounding. You can get started with this for free and there is no investment required. The good news is that it's accessible everywhere in the world. You should pay close attention and finish watching this video because I'll also provide you with some exclusive information that will enable you to generate 3 times as much money as others. Alright, let's begin. Check out this 4-minute video right here. By watching this video alone, you can make about $3. In addition, you can watch many additional videos on this new website on your computer or mobile device. Do not miss to pay close attention and do not miss any crucial information. Visit this website, gg2u.org, first. You can sign up right away for this website, which is of course completely free. Simply completing surveys, playing games, or watching movies can get you started earning money. In this video, we'll highlight how to watch videos and earn money. One of the easiest is this, and the easiest approach that anyone can accomplish without any experience. The nicest part about this website is that if you create a free account, you can get $1 for free. Your first name, email address, username, and password are all that is required. You can see that they welcome applicants from all over the world by clicking the down arrow on the country column. With this global opportunity, it doesn't matter where you're from or which country you live in. You can still make money online. Simply check this box to agree to the terms and conditions after entering all of your information. Then click this orange sign up button. By simply creating a free account, you can get $1 for nothing here. Another reason I like this website is that there are many different ways to get paid. Payment options include PayPal, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies, as well as gift cards. You can also receive your money using Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, bank transfer, or any other payment method if you're coming from one of the countries where you do not have a PayPal account. You have many options to watch various videos online and earn money thanks to this website. They offer a rate of 65 to 85%, which is exceptionally high compared to other websites' rates of 40 to 60%. After completing the registration process on this website, you will notice, "Welcome to GG2U." We are a very high-paying source for survey routers and offer walls. You can also watch videos and they'll pay you up to 65 or even 85% of what you watch. You can see that for every 100 coins you have, they give you $1. On this website, you will get paid in coins, and after receiving 100 coins, you can convert the coins into cash. You can earn $1 for every 100 coins, and once you reach $7, which is 700 coins, you can start withdrawing your money. Clicking this orange "Click to Continue" button will take you to the next page, where you can begin making money right away. Remember that $1 is equal to 100 coins, therefore, when you click on that button, you will see this. To start earning, here are some things that are very easy to do. On this website, there are a ton of offers you can do, and by completing them all, you can create numerous streams of revenue. But once again, our focus will be on watching videos. You can read. Note, some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible by scrolling all the way to the bottom of this website. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. If you want to earn more money, make sure to continue and finish these offers so you can do so. However, if all you want to do is earn money by watching videos, go all the way to the bottom of this page and click "I am done with this page." You'll then log into your account after that. My GG2U dashboard looks like this. As you can see, after I created a free account, they gave me $1 for free. I can then start withdrawing my money whenever I have another $6, making a total of $7. You can see that there are so many other companies and so many other offers when you scroll down below. For instance, AdJam, Peanut Labs, AdGate Media, and OfferToro. These are all pretty well-known companies that provide you with some special offers you can take advantage of to start earning money. You can watch videos, download apps, and complete surveys. Simply click on any of these companies to complete the offers and begin earning money. Now I'll give you another example. Click on this icon if you want to click on AdSend Media. You'll arrive to the official AdSend Media website where you can complete further offers to make money online. You can also get money by taking surveys, sign up for free trials, and downloading mobile apps. On just one website, there are a ton of chances available all at once. You can simply click this video button to begin earning money by simply watching videos. As you can see, autoplay video for every 200 video points you earn, you'll receive a silver token, which will add $1 up to $3 to your account balance. You can also notice, earn video points by simply completing any of this video. If you scroll down below, you can watch videos on food, viral videos, or chillax videos to make money online. You can watch any of these channels, and there are so many videos as you scroll down below that you can even click load more offers to get an infinite number of videos that you can watch and keep earning money. For example, if you click on this orange Hideout TV Chillax button, you'll land on this website. Here on Hideout TV, you can start watching videos and earning money online. For instance, by watching videos like this one, which last for 4 minutes and 21 seconds. You can make between $1 and $3 per video. Now I'll give you a few more extra bonus tips that will enable you to make 3 times as much money as the average person. Select the lower setting, 240p, when you click on the gear settings. You must choose the lowest level because, whether watching on your phone or computer, clicking on multiple videos and channels is the best course of action. Watch them all simultaneously in the background so you can earn 3 times as much money, if not 5 times as much. Furthermore, it uses a lot of data or internet speed, so the option to use the lowest setting is a smart choice. This is going to be the first piece of advice I give you, and it's also one of the most important. The second piece of advice is to choose and watch various other videos by looking at the Viral Videos channel up next section on the right. When you watch a video all the way through from the first 0 seconds to the last 4 minutes, you can win bonuses of up to $2 or $4 of each video. As a result, if you watch the whole video, they'll receive the points that they can exchange for real money. Now the last bonus tip is that by clicking this arrow button, you can view even more videos to watch. Taking this one as an example, you can check videos 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here. Each and every one of these videos can give you access to 7 additional videos when you click the arrow. You can then watch 7 bonus videos in total to make extra money online. You can use any device to take advantage of this opportunity for free, whether you choose to watch them on an iPhone or an Android phone. Just click Next button once you completed watching the 7 bonus video. As you can see, there are 9 additional videos that you can watch. This is an excellent method for you to keep watching the videos repeatedly and earn a lot of money online. You can then simply switch to the next channel and continue watching videos after you finished with one. You can simply keep watching the videos and earning money because there are so many of them here. And that's it.